Hey there, nature lovers and curious minds. Today, we are diving into a fascinating study that reveals how butterflies are not just beautiful creatures, but also powerful indicators of our planet's health. Get ready to explore the hidden world of these winged wonders and discover why they matter so much to our ecosystems. So, why butterflies? Well, these delicate insects are like nature's little spies, giving us crucial insights into the well-being of our environment. A recent study published in Insect Science focused on the western Qinling Mountains in China, a biodiversity hotspot with an incredible variety of butterfly species. The researchers wanted to understand how these butterflies respond to changes in their habitat, and what that tells us about the health of the entire ecosystem. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The team classified butterflies into 3 unique groups based on their life cycles and ecological traits. They found that each group reacts differently to environmental changes, like habitat loss, climate shifts, and human activity. For instance, butterflies that have only one generation per year, called univoltine specialists, are super sensitive to changes in their habitat and food sources. On the other hand, generalist butterflies, which can adapt to a wider range of habitats, are more influenced by their ability to move and explore new territories. This 3-group classification gives us a much clearer picture of butterfly communities and their responses to environmental changes. It's like having a detailed map of a complex ecosystem, where each butterfly species plays a unique role. By understanding these roles, we can better monitor biodiversity, assess the success of forest restoration efforts, and identify the habitats that need our protection the most. But it's not just about the big picture. This study also highlights the importance of conserving specialist butterflies, which are often rare and endangered. Several species in the Qinling Mountains, like Bhutanitis thaidina and Luehdorfia chinensis huashanensis, are already protected, but others, like Luehdorfia thaibai, are critically endangered and still lack national protection. The researchers found that increasing forest canopy density, a result of restoration efforts, can actually reduce suitable habitats for these specialist butterflies, leading to population declines and local extinctions. So, what does this all mean? Well, personally, I think it's a powerful reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the interconnectedness of all living things. By studying and conserving these specialist butterflies, we are not just saving a few rare species, but also ensuring the long-term health and resilience of our forest ecosystems. It's a win-win situation, where biodiversity thrives and our planet's health improves. In my opinion, this study opens up a whole new world of possibilities for ecosystem monitoring and conservation. By considering multiple ecological traits, we can gain a more accurate understanding of how butterfly communities respond to environmental changes. And that knowledge can guide us in making informed decisions about habitat management and conservation priorities. So, the next time you see a butterfly fluttering by, remember that it's not just a beautiful sight. It's a living, breathing indicator of our planet's health, and a reminder of the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth. Let's cherish and protect these winged wonders, for they hold the secrets to a healthier, more sustainable future. Thanks for joining me on this journey. I hope you found it as fascinating as I did. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.